Welcome to the video of Sunita in Space, Part 2. Do you think the moon is flat like the coin or round like a ball? I think the moon is round like a ball. Look at the moon tonight, again after 1 week, and then after 15 days. What are the festivals related to the moon? Festivals related to the moon are Eid, Karwa Chauth, Kartik Purnima, etc. At night, look at the sky carefully for 5 minutes. Did you see anything moving in the sky? What do you think it could be? A star or a shooting star or a satellite? Yes, I saw something moving in the sky. The thing which appears to cross the sky quickly is a shooting star. The satellite looks like a moving tiny dot which appears to move very slowly. Satellites are used for TV, telephones, and for weather reports. Find out more about this. Given below are the times at which the moon rises and sets in Delhi. A. On 28 October, the moon came out at dash minutes past dash o'clock. 16 minutes past 7 o'clock. B. On 29 October, the moon came out at dash minutes past dash o'clock. 17 minutes past 8 o'clock. C. On 29 October, there was a difference of dash hours and dash minutes in the time of the moonrise. 1 hour and 1 minute. If you saw the moon rising at 7 p.m. today, would you see it at the same time tomorrow? No, I would not see the moon at the same time tomorrow. The moon rises on different timings on different days. On 31st October, the time of setting of the moon is given as 12 hours 3 minutes. Have you ever seen the moon at 12 in the afternoon? Why don't we easily see the moon or stars during the day? No, I have not seen the moon at 12 in the afternoon. During the day, the sunlight is too much and hence we are unable to see the moon or stars. A spaceship went to the moon. This photograph of the earth was clicked from the surface of the moon. See how the earth is looking. Can you see the surface of the moon? Do you have some questions after looking at this picture? The following questions come in our mind. Who took this picture and from where did he take it? How was their experience seeing the earth from the moon? How could they land on the moon? Is there water or air on the moon? Why do children always slide down the slide and not slide up? If this slide were there in Sunita spacecraft, would children slide like this? Why? Children always slide down the slide and not slide up because of the gravitational force of the earth. If this slide were in Sunita spacecraft, then children would not be able to enjoy the slide because of zero gravity in the spacecraft. They cannot slide. Instead, they would float. Why do we see stars mostly at night? There is no sunlight during the night. As a result, the light from stars is not hidden by the sun's glare and we are able to see them at night. Looking at Earth from the space, Sunita said, different countries cannot be seen as separate from here. These lines are on paper. They are made by us. What do you understand by this? Boundaries are created by human beings. Human beings made partitions between nations. The nature has made a single earth where there is no boundary. So, from the space, we cannot identify a particular country or a city. Just for human understanding, they have drawn the lines and separated the countries. Thank you.